Okay, guys. Everyone's name, starting with you. Aurora? Aurora? Torrance. I'm so sorry. Torrance, are you ready for Disney World? Tell me that. Absolutely. You look ready. You look so ready. Did you get up very early this morning? Yeah. Okay. Mom?
Tracy.
Tracy. So nice to meet you. You look lovely this morning, Tracy.
Thanks.
Terrific. Dad?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. And you. I know this guy wants to talk.
Grayson.
Pardon?
Grayson.
Grayson? And Grayson, this is your third trip to Disney World, right? He's a veteran. He's going to show everyone around.
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
I was like 5 and 6.
Oh. How?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. How old are you now? 11. Yeah, that's...
That was like 5, 6 years ago.
Yeah, so many years ago. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, Shania. What's up, guys? Say hello. On our way to Disney World. I think that smile's going to be on your face for, about a week. I don't think you're going to be able to lose that smile for a while. How great.
Say real loud, I'm going to Disney World.
We're going to Disney World.